Hydrocarbon Measurement and Accounting is what we're going to be centered around.
Say that hydrocarbon measurement is like the bank of hydrocarbon production. I mean, without hydrocarbon or accurate hydrocarbon measurement, it is difficult for operators to calculate their profits, and it's also difficult for the government to know its revenue.
I think it's quite a robust one. It's quite rich. This is just the pre-workshop, and I'm already, excited. So for today, I've learned so much. I've learned a lot.
Today, I was able to discuss driving commercial effectiveness with accurate hydrocarbon accounting best practices. And in this chain of business, you need to ensure that we have accurate measurement, you have the accurate hydrocarbon accounting practices, and you also have accurate reporting. Once these three factors are put in place, then you are assured that you have value for your operational activities.